What the? Namin na, uy!
Okay? If no movement, I will count until 10. If no, reset. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, reset. Get your robot.
Reset.
Okay? Place again. But this time, I want you to place it far. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, stop.
Lobat, sir.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Wait. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Go, baby!
Robot. Get your robot.
Sorry sa kanya.
Place your robot. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. So get your robot. All losers, please come here because we will have. The rule is you have to place it outside, outwards. It should face outwards like that. Okay, face outwards. And then, ang mga bilin na buha, ma-appeal siya sa 10 winners. So, mahon sila 12 na tanan, right? Okay?
Hoy, pagdalan ka mo! Uy!
Okay, make a room. And all of you, non-players, please.
May nabilin pa dito, sir.
All of non-players, please.
Pagdalan ka mo!
Move away. Non-players, move away.
Pakay! Madali lang, sir. Move away! Madali lang, sir. May nabilin pa. Uy, dali! Ano ba?
It should face outwards.
Ay, dalaw, sir. Kay Gilay ni Simon, sir.
Okay. Wait.
Ay, dalaw.
We still have 3 more players.
Tama.
Lang ay pagdiyo ka.
Okay, all members of the team, please move away.
Move away.
Only the players will be here, inside this area here.
Namin na dutaw, namin na uy. Ako na lang dito magpapagbitan.
Players, non-players, please move away. Non-players, please move away.
Move away, brad. Move away ka mo.
Team number 1. Team number 1. Okay. Ready? When I say press, you move away after, okay? Move away when I say press, and then after pressing, move away. Okay, don't stay near. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, move away. Okay? Out. Okay. Who owns this robot? Okay, you include